What's up, fam? Listen, in today's video we're going to talk about this device that you see here, this smoke detector. Right now a lot of landlords are placing hidden cameras, spy cameras in the smoke detectors. So we're going to discuss that in this video. Please smash the bell icon to be notified of new content. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I recently found that my landlord has placed several smoke detectors with spy cams. There may be other spy cams within the apartment. I noticed I found one in the receptacle in the bathroom. But this problem is a lot more common than people think. So we're going to discuss this. I have read countless incidents where landlords have installed spy cams and devices without the tenant knowing. Sometimes the spy cams were there long before the tenant. I also discovered that these devices can be operated remotely as long as the person is within a certain amount of feet or close proximity to the devices, like upstairs or an apartment below. Now I first became suspicious that there was something wrong in my apartment. When I would wave my hand, I would move. I noticed that the smoke detector, the motion detector would sense it, and the light would start blinking. So I started taking a closer look at the smoke detectors. Well, once the landlord realized that I kind of knew, so then I started getting these messages, saying hello and mentioning my name and so forth, so I knew that my suspicions were right. Yeah, so this is going to be a short video, but I just did this video to make you guys be aware of what may be going on. Now, I live in East Orange, and my landlord owns a lot of properties in East Orange. So pay very close attention to your smoke detectors because they may have hidden cameras inside of them. That's all I have for now. So guys, tell me what you think. Have you experienced anything like this? Do you live in the East Orange area? Maybe you're renting from the same landlord. I'd like to know your comments. Peace.
Police found 11 cameras hidden inside of her apartment. They were actually hidden in things like smoke detectors. They recorded everything: when she slept, when she took a shower, and even when she used the toilet. Prosecutors say Rodney Sinnell spied on a 25-year-old woman. The victim was an employee inside his tattoo shop and his tenant upstairs. 11 hidden cameras. The victim noticed strange-looking smoke detectors after a bathroom remodel. She called police, who discovered a web of 11 cameras and wires leading to the tattoo parlor basement.
They have wearable tech. There's a necktie camera there. It's $80.
Brian Suave with Audio Innovation says hidden cameras are cheap and easy to use.
They look just like a smoke detector up in the ceiling, or they look like somebody's hat. They look like an actual pin. They're very, very tiny now.
He helps customers with security, and the options are amazing.
The hidden ones, definitely nanny cams are a big thing. We've had them disguised as picture frames.
Sinnell is charged with 42 counts of invasion of privacy. Other people used the victim's apartment, so 5 people were recorded multiple times naked or partially naked without their permission. Court records say Sinnell told witnesses he, quote, felt like a god and super powerful with his cameras. Angie Racono, KMBC 9 News.
Now take a good look at this. A clock radio, a light bulb, an outlet, even a teddy bear. All of these ordinary looking items are actually hidden cameras. After a couple renting a condo finds a camera in a smoke detector recording their every move, there are new questions about privacy and protecting your property. News Channel 5's Brandon Marshall spoke to our legal analyst to understand your rights.
Carrie, it's a disturbing situation, but many property owners do have security surveillance cameras inside and outside of their homes. And with hundreds of short-term rentals popping up here in Nashville, we wanted to know, what rights do you have when it comes to protecting your privacy and property? After this couple staying in a Florida Airbnb found a hidden camera inside a fake smoke detector, they called police. Police later arrested 56-year-old Wayne Nat and charged him with 1 count of video voyeurism.
If you do have consent of the people that stayed there, then I think that you're covered, but I think it's a better practice to not do that.
In 2010, Tennessee passed an Electronic Surveillance and Wiretapping Act. That law makes the kind of filming Nat is accused of a crime, making him a subject of a civil penalty or lawsuit.
When you rent your property out, be it short-term or long-term, the people that you rent it to have legal rights, and they don't forfeit those rights simply because they're renting your space or because you're concerned about any efforts that you may undertake to maintain the integrity of your property.
Nat told Florida police he had cameras in his condo for personal reasons, to record sex parties, and he had the consent of his guests.
The safe practice would be, if you're going to have cameras on the premises like that, I think that needs to be explicitly in any sort of rental contract, and I think that people need to initial for that. And if there is any issue about that, the cameras should be removed just to protect the owner.
Bottom line, if you own a short-term rental, be clear with guests about security cameras, and if guests don't feel comfortable, they should choose to rent somewhere else. Now, Airbnb released a statement saying they permanently banned the host, and they also apologized to the couple for what happened. But now, what if you feel like you are being watched? We spoke with experts, and they tell us if you want to look for hidden cameras, use the backlights on your smartphone to spot reflections off of lens. In the newsroom tonight, Brandon Marshall, News Channel 5.
Good info.
Thanks for watching In the Name of Justice. Listen, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification, and please share your comments. I'd like to know what you guys think about the video. Thanks for watching.